Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. Unpairing could be useful if you want to pair your watch with another device, or you want to sell it maybe, or give it away to somebody. Basically anything that will require you to disconnect it from your phone and your account. So let's get started. And to unpair our watch, we need to open the OHealth application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we need to tap on Device, and here you should see your OnePlus Watch Lite. Now scroll down, tap on More, and right here you will see this Unpair option. Tap on it, tap on Unpair, and the watch will basically disappear from the device page. We can close the app now. And I believe it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings, as you can see, and it will take it a few seconds for it to finish. And after it's done, you will see the list of languages, and then you can pair your watch with another device if you want to. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video, and see you in the next one.